I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up two-factor authentication 2FA on your PlayStation app is a great way to enhance your account security. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Open the PlayStation app. Launch the PlayStation app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account before proceeding. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, scroll down and find the Security section. Tap on it to access your security options. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Select the option to enable two-factor authentication. You will be prompted to choose your preferred method, such as using an authentication app or receiving SMS codes. Step 5. Follow verification steps. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. If you choose an authentication app, make sure to scan the QR code provided. Remember, if you miss the code, you may need to restart the setup. Now you are all set. Your PlayStation account is more secure with 2FA enabled. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out. Happy gaming!